Firstborn weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and happy Wednesday. Temperatures out there noticeably cooler. We're only having temperatures this afternoon, upper 30s, lower 40s. A few areas, including Rockford, did make it into the lower 40s today. That's where we still hold at 41. Sterling's at 43. The surrounding area, though, only in the upper 30s, 39 in Rochelle. And notice we do still have wind chills in place, so it is cooler out there, making it feel cooler out there. That will stay factored in the next several days, and winds are going to increase again ahead of our next system. For now, nothing moving in. We're actually seeing lots of sunshine. Winds have started to come down some, still seeing gusts around 15 to 20 miles per hour, but tonight and then into tomorrow, we're finally going to see our winds calm down a little bit, only 5 to 10 miles per hour. Behind the front, though, that's when winds pick up again. So roughly keeping that windy pattern besides tonight and early tomorrow morning. Nothing's going to develop on radar, but that will quickly change. We are going to see clouds increase later tonight into tomorrow. Still no precipitation. That's going to hold off until later Thursday night, potentially even into Friday. So tonight, temperatures fall again, mid-20s for most, a few locations. I think just mainly because we are going to turn over to mostly cloudy skies. It depends. If we do hold on to mostly clear skies earlier, that will allow temperatures to drop into the lower 20s. I do think clouds will move in sooner, and that should help temperatures stay in the mid, maybe even a couple areas upper 20s. Tomorrow, similar pattern where temperatures are going to be lower 40s, upper 30s. And then the system, we'll talk about where that's going to originate. So it's in Canada right now, producing some snow south of Edmonton. That's going to actually move through here, producing some snow as far as the Dakotas, and then also Minnesota, Wisconsin, potentially northern portions of Iowa. But for us, that arriving early Friday morning. So most of us still dry all the way up until midnight. That's Thursday night heading into early Friday. And then I think we'll start to see some snow showers move in around 1, 2 in the morning. The heavier totals are definitely going to be focused kind of towards the state line. And when I say heavier, we're still not going to see a whole lot of snow from this, but we could see slushy accumulations. The best chance overall, that's going to be along I-88 and then northward. And again, focusing on areas up towards the state line. So southern Wisconsin and then places like Winnebago County up near that border. I do think it'll transition over with some rain though. So mainly starting as snow as temperatures fall overnight Thursday into Friday morning. Then as we get into Friday afternoon, some of that will transition with rain as temperatures do warm near the 40-degree mark. So that's kind of what's expected as far as what to go as far as potential snowfall totals though. The heaviest, like I mentioned, kind of where this darker shade of blue is. So that is focused on southern Wisconsin, but really anywhere up near the state line itself. That's where those slushy accumulations, at least the greater chance, is going to be focused. And that's early Friday morning until potentially Friday early afternoon. I think most of that point going to start to transition over with some rain. So that's kind of just what we have to look for. It will or potentially could cause some travel impacts just because we haven't seen some snow in quite some time. So that's one of the systems, the main system we're tracking. There's another one set to move in Sunday into Monday. Anything we see Monday though, guys, that would actually be rain because temperatures are back to the 50s, brief, but I even think we could see some thunderstorms with that system too.